guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my March Boxycharm unboxing to share with you. Let's go ahead and share what we got. And I have already took a sneak peek into here because I saw some of the spoilers and I was so excited. And I have to say, this is my favorite box that I've gotten so far since I've been subscribed. Everything in here I really like. The theme this month is vacation. First thing I got is a blush by Pretty Vulgar. Very pretty packaging. And it says, make them blush, number 18, Hush Blush. It's a very pretty mauve shade. It's right up my alley. It says that it retails for $26, so we've already met the cost of the box with the first item, which is why I love Boxycharm. It says, make them blush, powder blush, awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. Next we have a brush set by Vintage Cosmetics. It's their smoky eye brush set. Comes in this cute packaging that reminds me of a tablecloth or a picnic. I think that we got an eyeliner last month by the same company, which was the first time I've ever gotten anything, so this will be their second item that I've gotten. And these are the three brushes. They're very soft. I would use this one for the lower lash line, this one to pack on color, and then this one in the crease. They have different ideas of what you can use them for, but that's what I personally would use these for. It says, this brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush and work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. The smudger brush can be used to blend the two shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash line. So they actually kind of had the same idea I did. It says they retail for $23.15. We have by Butter London their Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Comes in this packaging. Wow, it's a large tube. There's what the actual tube looks like. And there's the wand. Reminds me of a L'Oreal Lash Paradise or like a Too Faced Better Than Sex type of wand, which I like, so I'll probably end up liking this mascara. And then next we have by South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. It looks like they're just the under eye gel. It says they're $10. Our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. And I love these, especially if you're going somewhere special and you haven't gotten that much sleep the night before. Put these on before doing your makeup and moisturizer and all that. And they really help with the puffiness under the eye. And the last thing I am most excited for, and I cannot wait to use, the colors in here just scream spring and summer. It's the Boxycharm and Pure palette. It's this nice white packaging. And with the nice mirror. And here are the shades. Very pretty. I love these peachy tones and the pop of color here. Even the champagne gold. It's very pretty. It says that retails for $36. This transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. Wow, that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these. So let's go ahead and do the bright purple here. Do the blue. Do the matte peachy shade. They're all very soft. And let's do this shimmery maroon color. Wow, they're very nice. Those are pretty good swatches, and those are just one finger swatch. They're not, you know, doubled. There's no primer or anything, and they're very nice. Cannot wait to play with them. That's all we got in this month's Boxycharm, guys. Like I said, this has to be my favorite I've gotten so far out of all of them I have received. But there haven't been any that I really have hated. There's been a few items I received here and there that I really didn't use, passed along, but overall, Boxycharm is my favorite subscription box. It is $20 instead of $10 like most others, but as you can see, they're all full size, so you get way more than what you pay for. I'll have a link down below in case you want to subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video, and subscribe to my channel before you leave if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.